Hello, dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing good. Today, I, Shivani Gonial, will be taking your math class, and I welcome you all to attend the math session. In this session, we'll be following Exceed 5 A's, that is, aim, action, analysis, application, and assessment. So as you know that block 2 is comparing 5-digit numbers and S2 is arranging numbers in order. So today we will see how we can arrange the numbers in the order. Now students, tell me, out of these, which line is the tallest and which line is the smallest? And how can you arrange these lines? Yes, so as you can clearly see that this line is the tallest and this line is the smallest. And if I put this line here at the end, so this will arrange according to the increasing order, means from the smallest to the biggest line. So yes, today also the aim of the class is the same. So students will be able to arrange 5-digit numbers in ascending and descending order. So let's see what do you mean by ascending and descending order. So children, ascending order means arranging number from smallest to biggest. Means smallest number we'll just keep forward and then we move to the bigger number. And opposite is descending order. In descending order, we just arrange number from biggest to smallest. Yes, so just see this example. Like I have these number here, so these are in ascending order. These numbers are arranged in ascending order, means they are moving from smallest to the biggest number. See, and in descending order it's the opposite. Descending order means arranging number from the biggest and then moving to the smallest number. So like ascending order means, as you can see from this example, here is a ladder. So ascending means as we are ascending this ladder means moving from smallest number to the bigger number. Yes, so ascending this ladder means moving up, means moving to the bigger number. And descending means descending the ladder. Descending the ladder means coming down. It means coming down from a bigger number to a smaller number. So it means ascending order is moving from smaller to bigger, and opposite is the descending order. It means moving from bigger number to a smaller number, arranging numbers from bigger number to the smaller number. So children, here are two examples. Yes, there are three numbers. So here these three numbers are arranged in the ascending order. It means first we'll keep the smaller number and then move to the bigger number. Yes, so here as you can see, the first number is 42,729. Yes, then 47,209, then 47,728. Yes, so this is the smallest and this is the biggest. So that means here the numbers are arranged in the ascending order. And you can clearly see from the abacus also, like this. Yes, and comparing numbers we have already done in the previous class. Yes, that how to compare number, which number is smallest, which number is biggest. Yes, so this is ascending order. The opposite of ascending is descending order. So as you can see, here it is the greater number is kept at last, but in descending order we just put the greater number in the beginning. So here we start from the bigger number, that is 47,728, and then move to the smaller number. Then after this 47,209, then 42,729. So children, now you have to compare and arrange numbers in ascending and descending order. Yes, so I have written here three numbers. One is 47,209, 42,729 and 47,728. So how you can arrange these numbers in ascending and descending order? Just think. Just for a hint, I'll again tell you that ascending order means arranging numbers from smallest to biggest. Yes. And in descending order, it means that arranging numbers from bigger number to the smaller number. From biggest to smallest. Yes. So first, for comparing, we have just arranged all these numbers in the correct places. We have put in the correct places all these numbers. So from this, you can clearly see that here we just start comparing from the highest place. So here, if I talk about the ascending order, arranging numbers in ascending order, so the smallest one is this one, because here it is 42,000. Yes, so it is the smallest. So 42,729 is the smallest. Then next is 47,209. Then 47,728. So this is the ascending order. Yes. So first is this one. Then second this one. And third is this one in ascending order. Now talking about then descending order. So descending order means the greater number we just put in the beginning. So first we'll put this 47,728, then 47,209, and then at last a smaller number, that is 42,729. So see, you can clearly see here ascending order is from the smallest number to the biggest number, and in descending order, biggest number to the smallest number. So dear students, are you ready now for the master question? So here it is. Arrange these matches in the ascending order. Yes. So here are few matches given. Like in a match in quarterfinal, there are 82,317 people. Semi-final, there are 76,458 people. And in final, there are 91,896 people. So now you have to arrange it in ascending order. Just think, it's clearly visible. You have to start from the highest places. Yes. So now the first one is the smallest is the semi-final, then the quarter-final, and then the final. You can see again, see, in semi-final there are 76,458, then 82,317 in the quarter-final, and then the final, that is the biggest, 91,896. So we have arranged it from the smallest to the biggest number. See this one. So children, now I hope this S2 is clear to you. So now you have to do this S2 on your own. And after that, for the homework part, you have to read block 2, lesson 2 from your content book, and also you need to practice questions of lesson 2 given on page number 11 of your content book. That's all for today. Thank you, dear students, and stay home, stay safe.